Hello, boys and girls, and happy Wednesday. We are going to be writing today our persuasive story. So you should have your paper from yesterday of all the ideas of things that you want. As you can see, I added some more ideas to my paper. So I'm going to go over them real quick. I've got a puzzle, Legos, shoes, Xbox, books, earrings, ice cream, a water gun, flowers, or a puppy. So those were all the things that I could think of that I would want to get right now. So you could either turn your paper over or start a new paper, but today you're going to pick one thing and tell me why you want it. So your sentence is going to look or sound like, I want a because. So we're going to be using that first grade sight word because you're almost in first grade. I can't believe it. Okay, so go ahead, turning your paper over or getting a new sheet. I'm going to start a new paper since my back side goes to the other side. But either way, on the top of your paper, you need to write your name and the date. So Mrs. Rondo. And today's date is April 15th, 2020. So I'm going to write 4 for April 15-20. And when I think of all the things on my list, I think the one that I wish I had the most right now is a puzzle. Because they're fun. And I'm stuck inside my house, so that would be something that could really keep me busy and entertained. Plus, do you know a puzzle? It helps your brain muscle, makes it get bigger because you're having to think and problem solve. So my sentence today is going to be, I want a puzzle because it is fun. Ooh, that's a lot of words. Let's count how many. Ready? I want a puzzle because it is fun. 5 and 3 is how many? 8. Good. Okay, so I'm going to start my sentence over here. I, easy peasy, always capitals. Spaceman, want. Remember, want. With want, it's a letter A. W-A-N-T. Want. We've done this word a couple times, but I know it's been a while. I want a letter A. Look, making sure you continue with your spaceman for each new word. And every time I write a new word, I go back and read it. I want a puzzle. Stretch it out. Puzzle. Say it fast. Puzzle. My first sound. Like I got it in the belly. You. I want a puzzle because, good. I don't know if I'm gonna fit it here, so I'm gonna go to my next line. Does that mean I start with a capital letter because I go to the next line? No, only when it's a new sentence. B-E-C-A-U-S-E. Because if you need to sound it out, that's okay. This is a first grade sight word, so if it's not spelled correctly, it's okay. I want a puzzle because it is a sight word. You know how to spell it. I-C. Okay, let's keep going. I want a puzzle because it is, you know that one too, I-S. I want a puzzle because it is fun. Let me stretch it out. Say it fast. Fun. Okay, let's read our sentence. Here we go. I want a puzzle because it is fun. End of my sentence. I'm going to do a period. Okay, my friends, so today you are only having to write one sentence telling me what you want and why. If you're thinking, Ms. Rondo, that is way too easy, I'm going to tell you 2 things I want, that would be even better. But you could also work on your picture for today, making sure you leave enough room because we're going to be adding more writing to this for the next 2 days. I'll see you then, boys and girls. Bye.